Hello everyone. Today I will help you to install KDE Neon on Windows. First, you need to click on the new button and set name for this and you choose the file ISO and finish and you setting this uh, you set this 3017 choose your system you integrate it to 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 have run virtual machine smooth than enable and the essay declaration declaration 121 then click OK and wait for it create and is click button start to start virtual machine. First you need to double click on the install system. Uh, in this window you can change the language you want. Notice I use American English to default and then you click the next. Yes, yes. In the past, you click on the manual person name. Yes. First, you click on the new partition table. To the master book we call space to create. You delete one number is nice. Uh, change file system to the Linux web and OK. And the next, you click on the free space create. Set this to default and change the mail point to this and click OK and click the next. You type the password and this and click the install and waiting for this install. The successful you click on the long button to restart virtual machines. Click the enter button. And if the interface like this is successful, it's okay to use.